Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what to do if you see cabbage loopers in your cabbage patch. Here's a clip from the show. And then the other thing is the little cabbage loopers. So the little white butterflies that you see flying around your garden, they're about 1 inch across. That is the cabbage looper adult, and what they'll do is they'll lay eggs on the cabbage plants, and what we use is the Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew. Spray that about once a week, and that seems to take care of the cabbage looper larvae, and the cabbage and the broccoli and things in that family will be just fine. So once a week with the Captain Jack's seems to take care of that. Haven't seen any of the little white cabbage loopers yet, so it's not quite time to start spraying it. So this is kind of a nice treat not to have those. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 9, Part 2. And if you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.